Welcome back to my video. In this video, I'll provide the answer keys for today's D.El.Ed entrance exam. So let's start directly to the answer keys. Question number 1. Which of the following statement is true to the word chameleon? Chameleons mean a person of changeable character or habits. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 2. Fill in the blank with the correct conjunction in the sentence. Many things have happened since we last met. Option B is the correct answer, since. Question number 3. Which of the following is not the synonyms of the word nomad? Trespasser is not the synonyms of the word nomad. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 4. The set of rules, principles, and process that govern the structure of sentences in a given language is known as syntax. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 5. Which of the following is not a determinant of paragraph comprehension? Material selected. Option D is the correct answer. Question number 6. Which of the following sentence is correct? Who will you invite is the correct sentence. Option D is correct. Question number 7. In which of the following sentences the verb does not agree with the subject? Option A is correct answer. Neither bananas nor apple are for keeping. It should be is here. Okay. When two sentences are connected by this word nor, then it should be singular here. The verb should be singular. Is should be here. So option A is correct answer. Question number 8. An exercise which learners need to retain information write legibly and neatly with good speed is regarded as paragraph writing. Option A is correct answer. Which of the following words is used in plural sense? Use. Singular is you only. Politics is both singular and plural. New is only singular, no plural for news. Language is a tool because it is used for processing idea. Option A is correct answer. Who presides over the meetings of the Rajya Sabha? That is the Vice President of India. Option A is correct answer. Which of the following option is not an indicator of Human Development Index (HDI)? Per capita income is correct. Life expectancy is correct. Education is correct. Digital and technological advancement. Option C is correct answer. The most widely spread soil in India is alluvial soil. Option D is correct answer. Plague is a viral disease. Option C. The country with the largest reserve of uranium today is Kazakhstan. That is option C is correct answer. Issue of banknotes of all denomination in India is sole function of Reserve Bank of India (RBI). That is option A is correct answer. Choose the correct statement to the understanding of the word gender. Gender is a social construct. So option B is the correct answer. Social construct. Which one is not a fundamental right in the Constitution of India? Right to equality is correct. Right to equality is correct. Right to against possession is correct. Option D is not in the fundamental right. So option D, right to property, is not in the fundamental right. So option D is correct answer. Right to fundamental right to property. Question number 19. Who is the founder of Saka era Kanishka? The King Kanishka. Option A is correct answer. How many languages are recognized by the Constitution of India in the 8th schedule? It was 22 languages. Option C is correct answer. Question 21. River water is harder than rainwater because it contains salt of calcium and magnesium. Option B is correct answer. Question 22. An atom or group of atoms that has a positive charge or negative charge is known as an ion. Option C is correct answer. Question 23. Galvanized iron sheets are protected from rusting due to the presence of a layer zinc. Option D is correct answer. Most of the basic science question I already covered in my basic science video. If you have watched my video, I think you will know this basic science question. Vinegar in an aqueous solution. Vinegar in an aqueous solution of is an aqueous solution of acetic acid. Option A is correct answer. Question 25. Which of the following is used for dating archaeological specimens in bones and shells? Carbon 14, C14. Option D is correct answer. Question 26. The digit of unit place in this multiplication will be 0. Option A is correct answer. You don't need to multiply all this question. You only need to multiply the unit digit only, like 5 into 1 into 6 into 7. You will get 7 6 42, 42 1 sa 42, 42 5 sa 42, 5 sa 2 5 sa 10, 4 5 sa 20, 20 plus 1 21. So unit digit is 0. Option A is correct answer. 27. X% of y plus y% of x is equal to 2% of xy. How much percent is 20 paisa of rupees 5? That is 4%. Question 28. Option D is correct answer. Now let's go to question 29. The number which is being multiplied by 8, the product will be greater than half the number by 90 is 12. Option A is correct answer. Question number 30. Which of the following digit can be on the place of unit digit when any number is square? I think this is option D, but I'm not sure. Question 31. Individual learners differ from each other in rate of development. Option D is correct answer. The primary task of the teacher is to motivate, guide, and facilitate learnings of learners. Option C is correct answer. Conducive learning environment in the class is seen when learners actively engage themselves in the learning process. Option A is correct answer. Question 34. Braille is a learning resource for learners with visual impairment. Option D is correct answer. Question 35. Which of the following statement is true? Actually, evaluation and measurement are synonyms. So option C is correct answer. Question 36. Teacher must believe in which of the following values in the context of dealing with disadvantaged learners? Option B is correct answer. Personal accountability for student success. 37. A creative learner refers to one who is good at lateral thinking and problem solving. Option B is correct answer. Question 38. The teacher took her students for a field trip, and after coming back, she discussed the trip with them. This can be assessment for learning. Option A is correct answer. Question 39. A good textbook avoids gender bias. Option B is correct answer. The most important objective of learning is modification of our behavior. Question 41. Read the statement stated under, then choose which of the following conclusion is correct to the statement given. This is actually syllogism, so option A is correct answer. Some good things are difficult. All knowledge is good, all knowledge is difficult. Some good things are difficult. Option A is correct answer. Select the one which is different from the other three responses. So if you go A to C, there is two space. A, B, C, 2. From C to F, C, A, B, C, D, E, F. From C to F is plus 3. So all this, if you look carefully, then from L to N also 2 space, and from N to Q also 3 space. So same order, this one and this one. From M to O is 2 space, from O to R is 3 space. So this one also, all are same order, plus 2 plus 3. So this one is U to W is plus 2 space, this, and then W to Y, W X Y is space R. Option D is correct answer here. Why D is correct answer? Because if you move from U to W, there's 2 space. From W to Y also there's only 2 space. But here then from C to F, from N to Q, from O to R, all are 3 space. So this is the correct answer. It's the only odd one. Question 43. From the set of number given in the following alternative, find the set which has the same pattern as the set 29, 36, 41. From 29 to 36 there is plus 7. From 36 to 41 there is plus 5. So option C is correct answer, because 7 because 17 to 24 to 29. 17 to 24 there is plus 7, 24 to plus 29 there is plus 5. So option C is the correct answer. A is brothers and C. A is brothers and C is A's mother. A is B's brother. A is B's brother. And C is A's mother and C is A mother. C is A mother. For female I denote by circle and for male I denote by this square, okay? This square box. So B is D grandchild. B is D grandchild. B is D grandchild. B is the grandchildren of D. B is D granddaughter or granddaughter. That means B is a female. And F is A son. And F is A son. F is son of A. Son I denote by square. This type of question is called blood relation. Okay, how F is related to D? F is here. How this F is related to D? F is the great grandson of this D. So A is correct answer. Suppose if the question is asked how A is related to D, then A is the grandson of D. But if they ask how F is related to D, then F is the great grandson of D. Option A is correct answer. Question 45. Which one of the following is the same as flood, fire, cyclone? All these are natural consequences. So earthquake. Correct answer option D. This fire, cyclone are all natural calamity. So this also natural calamity, earthquake. Option D is correct answer. ATM stand for automated teller machine. Option A is correct answer. Automated, okay. Teller machine. Teller machine. So option D is correct answer, not A. Automated teller machine. Option D is correct answer. What is the summer capital of Uttarakhand? Gersin. Option B is correct answer. 48. Federation Cup. It is a football cup. So option D is correct answer. Question 49. SOP mean standard operating procedure. Option B is correct answer. Earth Day is celebrated every year on 22nd April. Option B is correct answer. So this is all. This is the answer key of today's exam. So I hope you are doing well. This time the question is quite different from the previous year question. So I hope you are all ready for this change in pattern. You should not have trust only previous year question. So thank you, all the best.